For today's mobility video, we're going to be in the tabletop, rocking side to side. We're going to start on opening up the wrist. We're going to make sure your hands are directly under your shoulders. And we're gently rocking side to side, focusing on opening up the wrist. Put your palms forward. You're going to lean forward and back. And again, you want to feel a little bit of opening of the wrist. You should feel this in the extensors, which is the top of your forearms. Now we're going to place our palms down, and we're going to straighten the elbows out. So drop down and extend straight. The straighter you go, the harder the stretch you're going to feel around those extensors. And then we're going to go back out wide and rock side to side. Try to stay as fluid as possible with this movement. Everything should be nice and smooth with gentle stretching. Nothing too hardcore today. Very good. Palms forward, lean forward, and bring it back. Lean forward. Very nice. And bring it back. And one more time. Lean into it. And press back. Palms down. Keep your elbows slightly bent. And try to straighten them out. Now the more you lean back towards your butt, the more of a deeper stretch you're going to feel. Find your challenge level. Very good. Let's roll those wrists out. Side to side. Cross the fingers and extend out. Bring them back in and overhead reach. Palms inverted and bring them in and overhead reach. Very nice. We're going to do the same thing, but we're going to go nice and wide, and we're going to drop our shoulder and ear towards the floor, and we're going to go all the way the other direction, shoulder and ear towards the floor. Rock it back to the other side. And again, you want to remain as fluid as possible. Very smooth movements. Very good. And we're going to bring it back in. And we're going to hand on the head, work on openers. On every rep, try to get a little bit deeper into the rotation. And focus on not just bringing the elbow up, but going slightly back towards the wall. Bring the elbow down and open up. Bring it down and open up. Excellent. Very good. The next one, we're going to thread the needle. Ear to the floor. Love, thread the needle. Very nice. We're going to rise up and switch sides. Threading the needle, ear and shoulder towards the floor. Bring it back in. And back to the openers. And this second go around, just be able to get a little deeper. And we're not just going up, we're pulling slightly back too. So up and back, and one more, up and back. Excellent. We're going back into that thread the needle. This time I'm going to do a little bit of assistance by making my other arm, pull the arm further across, getting a little bit deeper into that scapula stretch. Bring it back over and across, thread the needle other side, palm over the other palm, and slight pull, create the leverage to get a little deeper, thread the needle stretch. Excellent. Bring it back in. And we're going to rise up. And we're going to do a nice little neck stretch. One hand behind the back, one hand by the side. Bring the ear to shoulder and switch sides. Alternate the hand by the back and ear to shoulder. Very nice. Now you don't have to go too hardcore on your head. Average head weighs about a bowling ball, so gentle pressure. You want to feel a nice mellow stretch to the side of your neck. Ear towards the shoulder. Excellent. We're going to put our chin down. Gentle pressure on the base of your skull, bringing your chin to chest. Head all the way up with extension. And very slow, steady head circles. Very good. If you have any herniated disc or anything in your neck, you want to be very gentle. And in place of circles, just going side to side, looking left to right will do just fine instead of the circles. Very nice. Very good. Nice and smooth, nice and slow. Remember, we're going for fluidity on this one. Hands behind the head. We're going to pull everything in and open up, chest up as high as you can. Bring the elbows in, pulling your back down like you're doing a sit-up, and elbows and chest to the sky. Very good. Pull everything in like you're doing a crunch, and lift up, chest and head. Force that head back into your hands and hold. Drop the hands aside, big stretch to the lat, and we're gonna finish on the other side. Lean into it. Very good. And that wraps up today. Great job.